Hello, my name is Kyungmi Kim, and I'm presenting Make the Pertinent Salient, task-relevant reconstruction for visual control with distraction. Visual control task is to control actions based on visual information, like in the DeepMind control suite. More challenging and realistic setup is to present distractions like random videos. Dreamer has been a successful method for the standard visual control task. During word model training, it uses image reconstruction laws for feature learning, which is very effective by providing a rich signal. However, in a distracting environment, unnecessary information also comes along, confusing training. To address this, we leverage prior knowledge with segmentation foundation models. We assume that task-relevant components are easy to identify in images. Instead of reconstructing the entire image, our method reconstructs only the task-relevant parts, named Segmentation Dreamer. To create targets, we use the segmentation foundation models PerSem, fine-tuned with a single data point. More details can be found in our paper. We tested our methods on 6 tasks in DMC and compared 4 methods. Dreamer Star, which is the dreamer trained in a clean environment, performs pretty well with little distraction. However, it performs worse with distractions because unnecessary information in the reconstruction target disrupts the learning process. On the other hand, segmentation dreamer with the ground truth mask is not significantly affected by distractions, being comparable to the dreamer star. Lastly, the approximate version eventually reaches the ground truth version, although it takes more samples to converge due to the noisy targets. Our method generally achieves higher performance and greater sample efficiency than the state-of-the-art by using prior knowledge effectively. Thank you.